Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome. This is Shafat Khan on your screen. Okay guys, today I'm gonna make a very special announcement for A-level chemistry students who are out there preparing for A-level chemistry. Okay guys, a crash course on entire A-level chemistry is coming up very soon on my channel, and I've made it using this whiteboard over here. You can see the lecture over here. This is lecture number 39 of the crash course, which I just completed. I am quite busy in making these videos these days. Okay, inshallah they'll be done in no time, and I've made sure to make the videos through my notes which were provided to me by my teachers. Okay, I had an A-star of course, so yeah, these are A-star notes. Okay, so please do learn them very nicely. If you receive the crash course before time, so do check it out. Okay, and guys, make sure to share it with your friends and peers. The more it shares, the more people come and visit it, the better it will be for me, and the more motivated I'll be to make more similar lectures. Okay, so please do show your support. If you are seniors, share it with your juniors. If you are in A2, make sure to watch these lectures as well. Okay, because first the AS chemistry crash course will be launching. Okay, will be launched basically, and AS chemistry entirely applies on A2 chemistry regardless of your board. Okay, even if you are from Cambridge, or you are from EDEXCEL, or you are from GCSE or some other board, any board. Okay, it's gonna, these videos, or IGCSE, these videos are gonna be important for you. Okay, and this is lecture 39, and this sort of lecture will be released, okay, on my YouTube channel very soon. I'll be explaining all the concepts, all the tricks, all the tips, and all the frequently tested questions which are asked on the past year papers and on your exams, of course, and which are necessary to be learned. Yep, this completes the lecture. Sorry, this announcement. Okay, so kindly do share and spread the word. Thank you.